Hi, my lovely Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Cancerians, let me wish you a very, very happy new year. May this year bring you peace, bliss, health, happiness, lots of love, abundance, and prosperity. So, Cancerians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of January 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other placements in your birth chart. Okay, guys. So Cancerians, while meditating on your energy, I could experience energy of someone who is really very nervous as hell, very much nervous about something, very much edgy, or I would not say nervous, I would say anxious about something. Okay, I'll give you an example. It's like you are supposed to meet someone, okay, and you're really not looking forward for that meeting, but it's unavoidable, and you're like, okay, I just want to get over and done with, and you're very much anxious about that meeting, and in that anxiety you might end up being a little impulsive and take some impulsive steps or actions, okay, which you might regret later. So guys, please relax, okay, please take some deep breaths. So the message that I was strongly getting was you should really take a few deep breaths, like 5 to 10 deep breaths, inhale and exhale, and it is going to calm you down. It is definitely going to calm you down. And I feel this anxiety is really making you tired, you're anxious about something and it's actually exhausting you mentally, and probably you're not understanding it. So guys, please take it easy and try to relax, try to meditate a little, like at least 5 minutes, and it will help you tremendously. Okay, it will calm your nerves tremendously. Okay guys, so let's see what we have for you guys for this new year. Okay, give me a minute, something just popped down. Sorry about that, a card just fell down. So yeah, so like I was saying, let's get started with your reading guys, and let's see what we have for you. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Very powerful cards, guys. The energy at the bottom of deck is Four of Wands. Nice energy. Lovely energy. Strength is also I can see over here. Okay. I'll take that card too. Four of Cups. Whoa. I'm compelled to take this too, guys. And this as well. Okay. Yeah, I'll stop at that. So let's get started. Your current energy is that of Eight of Pentacles, probably working hard on something, working hard towards achieving your goals. You're very much focused over something, there is what do I say? There is you have set some goals for yourself, probably in terms of your career or some personal goals, and you are really very much determined to achieve those goals, and you are sorry, extremely focused, and doing very much focused work in or towards achieving that goal is what I see over here. Working really hard, maybe at your workplace, or like I said, if it's your personal goals, but whatever it is, you are giving your 100% in achieving those goals is what I see over here, which is a good thing, guys. The energy crossing is that of, whoa, Death card. Okay, now there's Death card and there is Wheel of Fortune. So definitely you're coming to a closure over some topic or some event or some incident in your life. Okay, there is one ending. Okay, you're closing some chapter of your life. Okay, maybe this is what is making you anxious. Okay, because I could really sense a lot of anxiety while I was meditating. The cards were also just trying to jump out of the deck. Someone was really very nervous, and I feel that this endings, probably you need to take certain actions which are not easy, but you know that they are required. Okay, and that is what is making you really anxious. Okay, that's the thing that I'm seeing over here. Yeah. Probably this is what is you're ending something which is coming between your goals, okay, between achieving your goals, because 8 of Pentacles is crossed by a death card. Okay, so that's what I think, that something is coming between you and your goals, and you have decided to take that action finally and put an end to that thing, so that nothing distracts you from your goals. The energy in your recent past is that of Wheel of Fortune. Something has happened. Okay, some major event has happened. There is some shift in your life. Okay, in the wheel of your life, and probably that has led you to this ending. Okay, probably that has led you to take this action of ending something or closing one chapter of your life and moving on. Okay, moving on in towards other chapter of your life. Yeah, the energy in the immediate future is that of Four of Swords. Now this to me tells that you have really thought things through. Okay, it's not that you have woken one fine day and decided to take that action. No, you have really thought at your subconscious level. Okay, I feel that some of you guys are not talking to someone, or you have kind of stopped communicating with someone, or someone has stopped talking to you. Okay, this could be a case of ghosting if any of you guys are dating, or if you are in any relationship. Probably you have decided to end that relationship, or that person has decided to end relationship, or someone of you has stopped talking to each other abruptly, is what I see over here. Yeah, the energy at your subconscious is that of Hermit. Wow, now this is very interesting, guys. This is a Virgo energy. Probably you guys might be dealing with a fellow earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo dominantly. Now this is you who wants to be by your own self. It's like, please give me some time by myself. Okay, I just want to be. I just want to be. I don't want to talk to anyone. I just need my own space. I just need I just need space to clear my mind. Okay, I need to clear the clutter in my mind. This is what I can see over here. This is what your current energy is, and it's a very good thing to do, guys. It's a very good thing to introspect. Okay, it's good thing to isolate yourself for some time, do some soul searching, ask some questions to yourself. Okay, try to find some answers yourself. Okay, dive deep within. Okay, to seek some answers. So this is the Hermit energy that you are wanting to be, or you have put yourself currently isolated yourself from some for some time, and yeah, I really feel that if that's required, if that's going to help you calm down, then why not? I mean, there's nothing wrong in that. The energy crowning is that is Three of Swords. Now like I said, there is this death. Okay, death card. So it would not be a physical death, guys, but it is an end of something. Okay, end of maybe some of you might be quitting your old job, but this to me looks like more on a personal front. Okay, someone is ending some relationship is what I am getting dominantly. Okay, and it's not an easy decision. It's a very painful phase that you're going through. It's not easy at all, is what I'm seeing over here, and I'm really sorry, my lovely Cancerians, that you have to go through this, but like I said, the wheel of life is rolling for you guys, so no matter how painful the energies are right now, I'm sure some better days are waiting for you guys. Okay, so just hang in there, be gentle with yourself, be kind with yourself. The advice to you is that of Six of Swords. Yeah, moving on is what is advised by the spirit guides or universe or gods or the supreme power, whoever you believe in. So this is what is required in the current situation, you know. It's a very emotional phase. You see there's a lot of water. Again, it's you are a water sign anyway, you are emotional people, and this current situation is also making you very very emotional. Okay, I strongly feel that your emotions are running very high. You're not able to think rationally right now. Okay, but the advice is, guys, you really need to move on. Okay, there is no point being or remaining stuck in the situation. You have to take that step, you have to take that action, and you just have to close that chapter and move ahead in your life, is what I'm getting from this energy right now. In your external influences, wow, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, definitely new beginnings lying ahead. Now I feel that once you move ahead, you know, once you decide to move on, this door, this new brand new chapter is awaiting right for you, right at the corner for you guys. So no matter, trust me guys, no matter how painful you might be feeling the current situation is right now, or how difficult it must be for you to move on or to take this decision, please note that there are new energies awaiting to enter your life. Okay, probably at the work front, okay, or at a personal front also. Okay, if I'm really sorry to say this, but if any of you guys have been laid off during this period because of pandemic, or you have been asked to leave, please note that no matter how, I mean, I completely understand it's very painful. I mean, it's not easy. I mean, you'll think that it's easy for you to say to move on, but you know, it's not that. It's very much painful. I know that, but know that universe has something really better and abundant in store for you. Probably a new job opportunity, which is even more better, even better than your current job, okay, or your previous job. So what I'm trying to say is, new fresh energies are abundant and prosperous energies are awaiting to enter your life, guys. So please don't remain stuck in the current energy which is not serving you, right? Wow, world card. Now, like I said, what do we say? I mean, there is no doubt about it that you guys are ending something. Death card, Wheel of Fortune, and world card. Life is coming full circle for you guys in certain aspect of your life, maybe personally or professionally. But like I said, overall, I think this has got to do with someone's personal life, is what I see over here. Life is coming full circle. Some karmic lessons learned over here, definitely hard way, definitely not easy, but yeah, the wheel is moving, you know, the wheel of life is moving now, moving forward. After the down phase, now probably you are moving towards the up phase of your life, which you can't see right now probably, but definitely that's happening there. The moment is definitely there. And yeah, I also feel that some of you guys are going to travel overseas, okay, maybe for your work purpose, relocate overseas. Yeah, because this card was just above Ace of Pentacles, so maybe you might get an offer which will take you overseas. Some of you guys might go overseas for further studies. That kind of energies also I could see over here. But yeah, some of you guys definitely are going to travel across the globe, is what I see over here. Yeah, the energy in the outcome is this Three of Wands. Now this I feel, Cancerians, is you're waiting patiently for your ships to sail through, you know. You have done your job, you have put in your efforts, everything, and you're just being patient through this process now. And I can imagine, you know, the energies are definitely not easy to deal with, but you are just trying to hang in there. Okay, you are very much trying to hang in there. And if it's at the personal front, if it's at the professional front, you know what you want want from life, you know, and you have done your work. So maybe if it's some job that you're trying to manifest, or if you're trying to, like I said, relocate across the globe for your career purpose, okay, you're just waiting for the right time. Maybe because of pandemic the things had slowed down, and now you're like really hoping very much, you know, to get back to normal ASAP. I really feel that things are going to start sailing through, or things are going to start progressing very soon for you guys. I'm really happy to feel that kind of energy for you guys. Four of Wands, yeah, celebrations. Some of you might get committed, or some of you might get married. Okay, maybe this is the reason why you will be relocating to another place. Okay, this could be applicable for some of you guys. Yeah, and there was another, yeah, these two cards I want to talk about now. This is a Leo energy, strength. Now I feel that this is you, Cancerians. You are trying to lift your own spirits. Okay, you are trying to talk, have that self talk, self dialogue, and you are trying to console yourself that okay, things are going to be fine. Okay, you're concealing, you're healing, you're giving your strength to your own self, and I'm so proud of you guys that you're doing it. Four of Cups, definitely. Now Three of Swords and Four of Cups. Now this is again you who is kind of a little sad, and that's quite natural. I mean, I will never blame you guys for this. You guys are right now focused over the spilt milk. Okay, you guys are grieving over something, grieving over the chapter that you have closed. Okay, grieving over the incident that you have put an end to, maybe that relationship, maybe that job, whatever it is. You are in that grieving phase right now, a little sad energy. Your focus, or it's taking all your attention. Okay, and maybe you're not able to see, because of that you're not able to see the new offers that the universe is trying to bring into you. Okay, but yeah, I'm very sure that you're going to come out of this, guys, because no matter what, no matter how sad you are, you definitely are determined to come out of this and move ahead in the right direction, is what I would say. Yeah, Capricorn, is the devil energies over here. Now this is some toxicity around you. Okay, some toxic situations, some toxic people around you that are kind of pulling your energies down, sucking your energies. So beware, guys, beware. Try to protect your energies, try to stay away from all sort of toxicity. Okay, all sort of toxicity. If this is you who are indulging into some what do we say, not so healthy habits like binge eating, binge watching, or taking resort of smoking or alcohol. Please don't do that, guys. It's a temporary phase and you don't have to get swayed away. Okay, I understand it's very difficult to go through this phase, but hang in there. You are really doing good, my lovely Cancerians, and just hang in there. It's just a matter of time now, and you'll definitely get whatever it is that you desire. This is what I strongly feel. I mean, I'm just not saying to console you guys, but this is the kind of energy that I'm getting through your reading. Incidentally, I had done Aries reading also today, and they too have similar kind of energy, So if you have Aries also in your chart, or if you're dealing with an fellow Arian, then please do check out that reading also, because incidentally that energy is also quite close to yours, guys. Yeah, tough phase, but definitely new beginnings ahead is what's there in there, this thing also. So let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, one card has flipped. Wow, what did I say just now? You're very close to achieving your goals. Wow, what a direct message from the universe, guys. Don't give up, don't give up. Three of Wands, you are waiting for your ships to sail in, and why not? You are so close to achieving your goals. So please don't give up, guys. This is what the universe is telling you, and yeah, I'm really happy that you got this card. It's a confirmation that you shouldn't give up on your dreams. Wow, lovely and strong message from the guides, guys. Okay, two cards have fallen over here. Interesting. One is make a decision. Feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition and make a decision. Wow, again a very strong message to whoever is this applies to. Okay, take action, take that right decision. First of all, calm yourself down, only then you'll be able to arrive at the right decision. Okay, guys, so do not remain stuck in this. Okay, take the right decisions, do the needful, move away from the toxicity if required. Okay, you don't have to remain stuck in this situation. Okay, you're very close to achieving your goals, and please do the needful. Father healing. Now this is one unique card. I do not get this card quite often, so this is definitely for someone specific over here. Okay, Father healing. Your personal power increases as you give any father related issues to heaven. Now this is a very specific card to whoever this applies to. If you are having any issues with your father or a father figure, I would say, an elderly person, okay, then please sort those issues out. Come to arrive at peace with that person. Okay, forgive yourself, forgive that person, and just move on. Let go of all the toxicity around that situation or around that person. Okay, that way you will be able to release the negativity and be able to attract new positive energy towards you. Wow, what a reading. Very unique reading, I would say. So Cancerians, I would leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If this resonates with you, do hit the like button, drop comments, or drop me a message and let me know your thoughts about this reading. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so yeah, I shall leave it at that. See you next month. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.